Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to find an IP address of a website. To find an IP address of the website, the first thing you need to do is open command prompt and run it as an administrator. I'll just put it into full screen so you guys can see clearly. Now type in tricity and give the desired URL you would like to track. So I'm just giving an example like www.google.com, and if you hit enter, as you can see there is an IP. So I'll just copy it now. This is the IP address of Google, so I'll just copy it now. I'll open a website and go to type in IP tracker. As you can see, it will be opened. Now type in the IP that you want to track. So as you can see, this is my IP. I'll just blur it, and as you can see, this is where the Google's IP is located in. It's, as you can see, this is the information about the IP. So that was a short video, everyone. So if you want to know how to track an IP address of a person, so I'll just give it on the screen somewhere around here, and you can go and check it out. And that was all for today. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll catch you guys in the next one.